Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, as you guys may know, Hurricane Harvey hit the state of Texas, the town of Houston. I am running a GoFundMe page to raise money to help all those in need and to get them the supplies they need, like water, juice, milk, food, towels, clothes, diapers, wipes, baby food, formula, anything they may need, like toilet papers and necessities, like for females, feminine stuff, and for males, just deodorants and stuff, like that type of stuff. So if you guys can go down to the link down below on the top of the description. If you click that link, they'll bring you right over to the GoFundMe page that I'm running. Donate whatever you can. It's all strictly for the Hurricane Harvey victims. People who live in different states are blessed to have their house, to still have their house, to still have their car, to still have clothes on their back, a roof over their head. These people, not so much. They're all stuck in shelters, not having anywhere to go. So if you can just go down the link down below and donate whatever you can and just pray for them, I would greatly appreciate that. If for some reason it's giving you a problem, just contact me through Instagram or Twitter and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. But for the most part, just please go and share the link. Tell people about the link. Be like, listen, this is strictly for Harvey victims. Please donate whatever you can. And just keep the link going. And eventually we will get enough money to buy stuff they all need. I think that's it. But yeah, just go down the link, share it, comment on it, and share, comment, and donate. It's all for the Harvey victims here. But if I do go to Texas, I may do a meet and greet there. I don't know for sure yet. But I'm doing this strictly for the victims in Houston because they lost everything that they have ever owned and that they worked really, really hard for. So in return, this is the least that anyone can do for them. I know Jake Paul also has a GoFundMe page, but we are all trying to team up together and do what's best and keep positivity and keep a smile on all these victims' faces. Like, all these people have a family. Like, they all lost everything. They all probably lost. From the town of Houston, it looks like a lot of people lost their jobs. It looks like a lot of people lost all the money that they have as of right now, and their cars, their everything. That's what it looks like from the news and even pictures up on not Instagram, Google from this hurricane. So it's really bad out there. So please keep these victims in your prayers, and let's put a smile on their faces. Let's get donations to the GoFundMe page, and let's get the stuff they need. And I may do a meet and greet down there, and when I go to take the stuff out there. So if you live in Texas, I may be coming for you. But yeah, let's get the donations in for all the victims in Houston. They need it. They need stuff, and we're fortunate to have stuff. And you know, it's not. They're all not in this great state of mind. They just went through a horrific thing that happened in their state and in their town. So please just do me a favor and donate whatever you can. Every penny counts, and let's put a smile on these faces. Let's put a smile on their faces. They need it right now. They need to put a smile on their face. Because there's a lot of people out there that they may not know, but they care for them. But this is the end of my video, and I'll make another video probably tomorrow. So, because I've been busy. I'm sorry, guys. I know I've been slacking. I've been really, really busy lately. But keep a smile. Stay positive. Let's put a smile on all these victims' faces. Go donate. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.